Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a text slider on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple messages, headlines, or promotional content in a dynamic, eye-catching format that keeps visitors engaged. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website you want to work on. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Make sure that this is the website where you wish to add the text slider. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're editing the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites under one account. Next, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon and is your gateway to the Wix website editor. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be able to customize your site to your heart's content. From here, start by locating the Add Element menu on the upper left part of your screen. Click on it, and from the menu, look for the text section and click on it. Now, you might notice that there aren't any text slider features listed directly. That's because we actually have to install and enable it first. Don't worry, it's a quick process. To install a text slider, scroll down through the list of text designs that Wix has to offer. At the very bottom part, you'll notice a Related Apps section. Under this section, locate Text Hero Motion and click on the plus sign next to it to enable and install it. This app is specifically designed to create dynamic text sliders with various animation options. Once installed, it will automatically be added to your website. You'll see it appear on your canvas, ready to be customized. Now all we have to do is customize the text slider to match your content and style. Double-click on it, and you'll see the text slider menu open up. Under the Slides menu, this is where you'll add the individual text slides. To add a slide, click on Create New Slide. Then hover your cursor over the slide and look for the three-dot icon labeled More Actions. Select Edit, and an editing dashboard will open. To add content to your slide, click on the plus icon on the top toolbar. You can add text, buttons, boxes, shapes, and images. Once you've added your content, click on Apply. If you have multiple slides, you can set the slide sequence by rearranging them directly from the menu. Next, under the Scene Background section, you can choose the type of background your text slider will use. Options range from none to image or even 2D and 3D backgrounds. There are also background presets available for use, which can save you some time, but if you want to fully customize it, click on Customize Style. Here you can set the color scheme and animation customization to perfectly match your website's aesthetic. Under the Settings tab, you can choose the type of animation, pause duration, mode, and caption play mode. This gives you control over how your text slider behaves. You can also set a pause on hover and pointer removal by enabling the toggle button. These settings allow you to fine-tune the user experience and make sure the slider behaves exactly how you want it to. Once you're done with the customization and satisfied with how your text slider looks, simply click on the Publish button in the text slider menu. Your text slider is now live on your website, ready to capture your visitors' attention with dynamic animated text. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.